A1, baby.
A little low, hey?
Yeah.
You want straps up
No, stop down.
to the barrel?
Yeah.
Oh, I almost dumped it. Woo!
All right, folks, see you in a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, if you remember from our first trip, we hit the moon chute and ran our very first set of rapids ever. That's it now. The water level has dropped 18 inches. So this is what we're, say hi, baby.
Hi, it's so much calmer. It looks so much
Different.
Wow.
So this is what we're dealing with this weekend. 27-kilometer-an-hour winds, 39-kilometer-an-hour gusts, and the water level has dropped 18 inches. So we have no idea what we're in for when we get up the Moon River. Let's go, as Marty would say. Straight down the middle on the left. And you draw or you cross, whatever you got to do when we get to the bottom, because I didn't really see what the water was doing, but we're just going to go straight through.
Yeah, I'll probably have to cross because most of the current is going left.
Most of the current's going left. You walked around that side, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's it gets a little confused in the middle there.
Okay.
As the water does, it doesn't really have a direction.
Shouldn't be too bad. It is moving
No,
fast, but
Good.
it's good.
Side.
Boy, what a difference.
I know. Like
This was raging last time. That's why we didn't come down here. She's still moving pretty good.
Not too fast, but wow, what a difference. Because there's no way we would have been able to do it last time.
No, it would have spit us out right at the end.
I mean, maybe, but
Maybe if we see Tori a second time, we could make it next year down this side. Even that's got nothing this time, eh?
nothing. I don't see any rocks or anything. I think
No, you
there
don't.
was one
Okay.
on the left, a little further down.
Draw. Wow, that current.
Okay, we're gonna get whipped around again here.
Just remember the bottom left, there were some rocks there.
That's
Remember
what I
we
was
just
talking
missed that
about.
one?
Yeah. This is so much slower too.
This is nothing compared to last time. Remember last time it spun us sideways?
Yeah. Okay, we want to get over to our right maybe a little bit.
Over the right a little more?
A little bit. Can we camp?
Up this way on the left. What's happening, everybody? Look what we have found. We're at the bottom of Moon Chute. We were going to push through up the Moon River to get to the other side of the Wakaw. That would have been about 25 kilometers. With the thunder and lightning storm that's coming in and the way the winds are, we decided, screw it. We checked the eye hunter to double check everywhere we are. Babe, say hi. I'll take you for a second, show you this campsite. We actually lucked out. But before I do, let me show you what we did with the eye hunter. I don't know if you can see this, but this is the bottom of Moon Chute. And if you can see that little blue dot, load the boundaries. I'm going to try to do this. I can't see very well because of the glare. So I clicked on this island at the bottom, and this comes up. Let me see if I can get that out of the glare. Gives us our longitude and latitude, and it says multiple resource management general use area. You click on it, and it brings you right to the Crown Land Use Policy Atlas with all the rules and the regulations. And right here, if you can see, recreational activities and facilities. Crown land recreation, yes. So, and then it gives you can go to the website and you can check out all the different documentation on this island. So, we were going to camp over here. That section is red because it is Crown land with general use, but there's also a license of occupation for mineral rights. So what that means is somebody has gone to the government, has leased the mineral rights for that land. But they don't own the land, they're only leasing it for mineral rights, so it still leaves the door open for general use. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna give Sabrina a hand. We'll show you the campsite in a little second. The fishing in here should be phenomenal, and I believe this weekend pike opens up this weekend, babe?
I think so.
I think pike opens up. Let me check my calendar. Pike season starts tomorrow. Bam!
Get outside.
Get outside.
dinner to go with our dinner. Fun. Woo. I almost took a header.
Did you?
Yeah.
What's that, babe? Woo! That wind is strong. So I don't know if you guys, well, I know some of you do. I don't know if all of you do, but if you don't, you should watch Lost Lakes. So I came across Lost Lakes, John and Aaron, last year, just before Christmas. One of the things that John does in his videos, now I've always gone barbless, but one of the things that, I'm getting blown into shore. One of the things that John does with his lures is he takes the middle hook off, that one right here, if they've got two hooks. So I've started doing that as well. Gone barbless. Hold on a sec. Gone barbless. And if they've got more than one hook, I just leave the hook on at the end. So, John, thank you very much for that. It makes for some great sport, I will tell you that. The reason why John's explanation was it's less damage to the fish. You don't take the chance of hooking them in the eye and stuff like that as well, because a lot of the times, a lot of the fish when they hit sideways like this. So if they hit it from the front and they hit it like that, you're going to grab them in the lip. That second one's going to pop up and usually grabs them in and around the eye and stuff. So that's my little lesson for today. Go over to Lost Lakes, check out John's videos. These are my favorite lures. Little Palace splits. Taking the second one off. These things, they hammer for me all the time. But I usually don't bring them out until bass, third week of June. This wind is treacherous today. I really shouldn't even be out by myself, but Sabrina's gone for a nap. It's I don't even know what time it is. Oh, land ho again. I just want to fish in this little cove. That's all I want to do. Yep. Day one dinner.
Day one dinner.
The battery might die soon. If it does, I'll let you know.
Okay. Hey guys, so today is chicken stir fry with vegetables and wild and brown rice. I'm just about to put the wild and brown rice in the pot. There's a little bit of lentils and stuff here to boil. And I've boiled some extra water, and I'm going to put the chicken in the extra water to start rehydrating it. For every meal, I've done a spice mix for each meal. And this is extra spices. There's already some in the chicken, but I've got, because it's going to be a curry coconut stir fry, so I've got some sesame seeds and a curry spice mix that I made.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's 9 o'clock. The storm should be rolling in any time now. You see this?
Yeah.
Coconut curry rice stir fry. I love you. Oh.
It'll be good for a few days, and it's all downhill.
It's all downhill.
Yeah.
So, it was a nice day. Sabrina got a chance to catch up on some sleep. I went out fishing in the canoe, as you saw. I just went out fishing now. Hooked into something. I think it was a walleye, but whatever it was, it broke my line.
Brand new lure.
Brand new lure.
Of course.
Had a couple of good hits today. Just couldn't get them in. Met the gentleman. His family's been here for 35 years. He's got to be in his late 50s, early 60s. They live not too far from here. Anyways, he's the ones who's left the chairs. He's built the privies. He built the fire pit, which is awesome. So thank you. And yeah, so we're just gonna have dinner. This storm, we're supposed to get. There's not supposed to be a lot of rain. I think they said around in between 1 to 3 millimeters, but thunder and lightning. And then come the morning, during the day we're supposed to get in total 15 millimeters, and then overnight tomorrow night we're supposed to get another 20, and then Sunday's about the same, and Monday's supposed to be absolutely beautiful. So we're here for 2 days. Probably just be sitting in the tent in the rain or underneath the tarp. So I don't know if we'll do much filming. We'll do a little bit just to say hi. Hey babe.
Yep. I want to play hockey sack in the tent.
Play some hacky sack.
In the tent.
What's all that stuff? Coconut
So
milk?
hang on. No, that's coconut milk. So there's some green onions.
Oh, green onions.
Yeah. And then I put a little bit of soy sauce in the thing.
Oh,
just
she
for
knows
you.
me so well. Yeah.
Don't get used to it. Because it's just going to get worse. This is all fresh vegetables and stuff that had to get eaten because nothing was staying in the fridge. So
You want some of the soy sauce, or can I have it all?
you can have it.
Oh, yeah, buddy! What?
So salty.
We planned 15 days for this trip. I did speak to a gentleman when we were planning this trip. I met him on my Canadian canoe route, I believe is the name of the website. And he sent me to Cal Topo, where he put out his map. He did the whole trip in 4.5 days, 123 kilometers. We scheduled 15 days. We wanted to do about in between 10 to 12 kilometers a day, except for the Wata. We got to go straight through the Wata, which is about 23 kilometers, I think, in total to get out of the Wata. And then we're just going to take our time. We're going to hit a couple of places on Crown Land.
Yeah, it'll be nice to hike around and stuff too, not just water.
Not just canoe and yeah.
I want to see what's in the forests, see
Do
what's
some
coming
hiking
up.
and-
Yep.
Yeah. So anyways, we're going to have dinner. If we don't see you before we go to bed, we'll see you in the morning. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. May 2-4. Every year since a kid it rains and we still can't.
That's right.
Oh my God, so good.
Is it alright? Yeah.
It's so good. I love you.
I know.
You know? Good.